Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming Gboard is installed and permissions are ready. This prevents surprises later. Open Settings on your Vivo device, then go to System or Additional Settings depending on your model. Once there, tap Language and Input to access keyboards. Make sure the current keyboard is Kika so you can switch it. You don't need to uninstall Kika. This first step puts you in the exact menu where input methods are managed, so you can change the active keyboards safely and quickly. Now you'll enable Gboard within input methods. Tap Virtual Keyboard or Current Keyboard, then choose Manage Keyboards or Input Methods. You'll see a list including Kika and Gboard. Toggle Gboard on and accept any permission dialogues. This grants access to language, suggestions, and clipboard features. Once enabled, return to the current keyboard menu and select Gboard as the active input method. Doing this ensures Gboard handles typing, prediction, and emoji instead of Kika, so your typing behavior updates immediately. Finish by opening a messaging app and tapping a text field to confirm Gboard appears and suggestions work. If layouts or languages are missing, open the Gboard app from the app drawer and add languages under Languages. Make sure the preferred layout is selected. If the keyboard doesn't show or crashes, restart the phone. If that fails, clear Gboard cache or reinstall from Play Store. One quick troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable Kika in Manage Keyboards to avoid conflicts while testing Gboard.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.